So, last minute tips for pre-exam, as it is here now, it is opportune. So, I think the key lies in revision. Revise what you have read. In try to give more and more test papers. Try to optimize your score. Okay, do not bog yourself down by the fact कि मैं तो 70 ही अटेम्प्ट करूँगा बस, या मैं तो 90 अटेम्प्ट करूँगा बस. पेपर जैसा आए आप वैसा अटेम्प्ट कीजिए. आपको अगर लग रहा है कि आप और ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं तो ऑप्टिमाइज कीजिए और रिवाइज कीजिए. इस स्टेज पे जैसे रिवीजन किया है, और अगर जैसे आपने अभी कुछ छोड़ के रखा है, आर्ट एंड कल्चर नहीं पढ़ा है, साइंस एंड टेक नहीं पढ़ा है, अभी पढ़ लीजिए, ये सारी चीज़ें कवर कर लीजिए. सी you should, if you're getting that kind of a metric, you should try to see why are you wrong in these questions. Is it because you do not know it? Because if you do not know it, then you'll have to go learn those concepts. And if you know it, then is it because you're not giving each option sufficient time? Are you not weighing those options correctly? जैसे वो होता है ना कि A, B, C दोनों तीनों करेक्ट है, A and B ये सब. तो अब जैसे A, B, C तीनों को इनफ टाइम दीजिए और सोचिए कि ये हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, अलग अलग से, ठीक है. और फिर जैसे गो बैक टू द ऑप्शंस. हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये दिस इज व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू. अब सबका स्ट्रैटेजी अलग होता है. हाँ, दिस इज व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू. दैट आई यूज्ड टू गो थ्रू वन आइटरेशन ऑफ द पेपर and do what I think I knew, I was sure of, then I would move to something else. So that is what was my strategy. Kuch means okay. Do you have anything particular in mind? Because I have something in mind, but if you ask me specifically, then I think it will be better. Okay. So are there any political science students here? Political science, okay. See, political science, it has a good amount of overlap with GS. So whenever you're studying political science, try and make those linkages with GS. Okay, and in political science and even in GS, I would like to take this up specifically because it helps everybody here, answer writing. Okay, so considering the change in the nature of the paper, the questions are more dynamic and so they require answer writing skills. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि प्रेसिडेंट के पार या गवर्नर के पार क्या ये पूछा जा रहा है पेपर में. अब एप्लीकेशन है, ओपिनियंस हैं. तो व्हेन दीज थिंग्स मैटर, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू आर एबल टू प्रेजेंट योर व्यूज इन अ कोहेरेंट मैनर, इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर. In political science, not just studying, writing answers is important because a large part of political science deals with the abstract thought, thinkers, right? So when you're dealing with something as abstract, you should have a good writing strategy. You should quote thinkers in paper 1. You should quote as many thinkers as you can. Similarly, in GS, when you write an answer, you should be able to give a balanced viewpoint, right? So say there is something about judicial activism. It was about judicial activism affecting the ideals of liberty and of democracy. Values of democracy. So here it's not just about judicial activism. It's about how it affects the values of democracy. Similarly, there was another question in political science about the changing nature of national security. The question is not about national security. It's about the changing nature of national security. अब जो सिर्फ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी लिख के आएगा या जुडिशियल एक्टिविज्म लिख के आएगा उसको नहीं आएंगे नंबर. क्यों आएंगे नंबर? ये सवाल ही नहीं है. तो आप पहले सवाल को समझो कि सवाल में पूछा क्या है. ठीक, तो जैसे once you grasp what judicial activism is or what national security is, you open up your answer with an introduction, a brief introduction, then you write about how it has affected the values of democracy, how Supreme Court judgments you can quote probably, right? So this way you write about the pros. Then you, in order to make your answer balanced, you write about judicial overreach, that while judicial activism is good for the democracy, it should not culminate into judicial overreach. You give a few examples. Then you close with an argument that makes your whole answer well-rounded. Similarly, in political science, you write about the changing nature of national security, you give examples, you make your answer dynamic. So every answer in GS, in political science, it will have two major components, you can say. One will be static, the unchanging constitutional provisions and all of these things. The second will be dynamic, examples, real life examples which are happening right now. The more fresh your content, the better your answer. Okay, so with time, this answer writing skills become very important. So, practice answers, write test series, these things help in the present context. Second, if you want to write answers faster, because I hear a lot of students saying that they can't attempt the paper, they can't complete the paper. So the thing is, when you have to sit there in the hall and churn up points in your head, you won't be able to do that. You will have to keep some points ready on your fingertips. Judicial activism, 4 points तैयार है तुम्हारे पास, 4 तुम लिख के आ रहे हो. Cases तैयार है तुम्हारे पास, लिख के आ रहे हो. So you start writing faster when you start thinking faster. So keep points ready. Third, your answer sheet should be appealing to the examiner. The examiner should find your answer sheet to be the most pleasing in the stack. So, write in legible handwriting. Your handwriting does not have to be like calligraphy. Your handwriting should be legible. It should be well spaced. The examiner should feel like reading your answer script. Keep your answers interesting and you'll be good. Okay, and the most important part is practice. See, there are people who crack the exam even with law when they don't have a law background. Rank 42 Himanshu Khurana is an example. He has a background in economics, but he took law and he performed well in law, more than law graduates. I am an engineer, I don't have a background in political science, and I have good marks in political science. So your interest matters, your aptitude matters. Every optional is scoring, and every optional has low marks. So you should go through the syllabus, see if it suits you, see if there is enough material available, and if you think that there is a good overlap with GS and it helps you out, any optional is good.